clown thrush.
The day that we went into the sewer, Stan saw it. Face to face. Not the clown, but he saw what was behind the clown. He ran up to me in school, and he said, "I saw it, Eddie." I looked right into its some kind of lights. I looked right into its deadlights. Then he said, and I hadn't thought of it until just now, I swear, he said, "I looked into its deadlights, and I wanted to be there."
Deadlights.
I need a drink.
Yeah, me too.
Sharon got something here. Anybody else?
Yeah.
Steve. Sorry I'm late. Well, let's see who's here. Billy boy. Richie, you still here? We never expected you to stick around. Nice nose job. No one would ever suspect. Haystack. Putting on a little weight, huh? Speaking of dads, Bevy, yours isn't worried about you anymore. He loves your choice in men. Wheezy, how's your sex life? What's your sex life? Well, Mikey, you did it. You got us all back here. I guess it's because it's the only way you'd ever see us. Since you're so lame, you'd never leave this town. I finally made it, guys. I'm in the deadlights now.
And you know what? It's true what they say. We all float down here, and you will too. In fact, they all float. They all float.
All right. I don't know about the rest of you, but I am getting really sick of this place. Now, I will listen to anything anybody has to say, but could we do it someplace else, please?
Okay, just help me with this stuff.
Bill? What is it?
He thrust his
He thrusts his fist against the post and still insists he sees the ghosts. That's all it says over and over and over again.
My mom gave me that to say to help with my stutter.
No offense, pal. It ain't helping.
Let's get the hell out of here. What do you say? Okay?
Henry. Down here, Henry.
Belch, what are you doing down there?
You got a problem in there you need some help with, Henry? That's a good boy.
You don't have to talk out loud, Henry. I can hear you and you just think.